welcome back to my channel. It's Jasmine here today for my first ever episode of Mystery Curls. So we're gonna see if I can get amazing curls using a product that I have never used before, or if I have used it, I've only used it once or twice before. So basically this is gonna be new product to me. This week's product is going to be from the Doux, which is I think it's France, from France. I think it's French. Oh, well, I have no idea where it's from. But it says on the back, the Doux, French for soft, smoothie, or sweet. Ooh, I like sweet, I like smooth, and I like soft. So this is for smart chicks with real hair. So initially, this drew me in when I was at Target looking around for a mystery product to use on my hair. And this actually drew me in right away because it had great packaging. The packaging is amazing, and I thought it was really pretty, unique. I like these bright colors. It kind of reminds me of like a comic. And on the top part, that was really cute packaging. So I'm all about packaging, and this one really hit the mark. So on first initial thoughts, opening it up, it smells good. It's kind of on a thicker side. It smells a little bit like pink lotion, but kind of toned down, if you know what I mean. This enhances shine, controls texture, moisturizes, softens and lengthens curls. It has no sticky residue, and after feeling it, I don't really feel any sticky residue, but it does feel kind of thick, so that does kind of worry me. But continuing on, what's good, it has goji berry and certified organic botanicals if you're into that kind of thing. If not, just close your eyes and inhale. So I'm guessing that's what they're talking about with the smell, but honestly, like I said before, the smell isn't really that strong, so that's that. I also got from the Doux as well, Mousse Def. That's cute. I guess it's supposed to be on a play on words, kind of like how this French word is a play on words. So this is the Mousse Def Texture Foam High Definition Control Mousse, and this says on the back what it do. What it do. Defines, shines, and conditions in one step, fights frizz, wash and goes and twist outs, rod sets, you know I like rod sets, pixies, and blowouts. So I won't be using it for blowouts, but I'll probably be using it for the rest. What's good? Silk proteins, humidity blocking. Yes, gotta have the humidity blocking because my hair, humidity, not gonna happen. So polymers fight frizz, so that's also good. I definitely don't like frizzy looks, and I don't think anybody else does. Well, maybe you do. Maybe that's your thing. So anywho, that's what I got, the Mousse Def. And lastly, also from the Doux, I got the Light Weightless Shine Mist. And this is a thermal protectant and shine enhancer. Initially, I really do like the fact that it says it is a weightless shine mist, because if anything in my hair has a little bit of weight to it, it's going to weigh my curls down. So if you have 3A hair like me, definitely look for things that say weightless. So that, oh, and I guess I'll take a little sniff. It smells like, I think it smells like pina colada. It smells actually really good. So yeah, that is by the Doux as well, and it says passion fruit, black cacao, and palm oil. Okay, so I guess that kind of could be pina colada smelling. I don't know, I'm not a professional expert sniffer. So what it do, restores softness and shine of natural styles, protects hair from the effective heat tools. Okay, I can see that. I mean, I really don't use heat in my hair anymore, but sometimes whenever I'm drying my hair, I do turn it up on the high heat setting because I'm lazy and I want to get out the door quickly. So I guess that could be good for that. So yeah. All right, so I'm going to jump into these products and show you guys and see if these mystery products will turn my wash and go into beautiful on a scale from 1 to 10, 10 being awesome curls, 1 being basic curls. So we're hoping to shoot for a 10, obviously. So we will see. And if you're wondering why I'm wearing this cap on my head, that's because I've already styled my hair. I already know about these products, and it's no longer a mystery to me, but it is to you. So I'm going to show you exactly how I styled my hair with these products, and then I will do the big reveal at the end. All right, keep watching, and hopefully you guys will enjoy my first ever episode of Mystery Curls. And if you do, definitely like and subscribe right here down at the bottom. Subscribe, please. And then tell me what you would like me to try out, if it's something that I haven't tried before, or if it's just something that you would like to see and that you have never tried but would personally like me to try. So definitely keep watching, and let's go ahead and jump right in.
So getting started, I'm just going to take a water bottle, spray down my hair because it got a little bit dry after I scrunched out the excess water. Then I'm going to take my paddle brush and I'm going to comb out my hair gently, and I like to just do this just to smooth and make the curl stick back together. So you'll see me do this multiple times throughout this process of me doing my wash and go. I love doing this. This helps my hair clump back together.
Have to have a heart, have to have a soul, then you have to grow.
So as you see, I brushed all my hair forward, and then I'm going to gather the bangs and I'm going to clip those up out of the way so that I can start putting the Bonita Afro Balm in my hair. So I took a little good scoop of that and I just raked it through my hair, and I'll do that all over until I get the desired product I want in my hair.
It doesn't seem it comes from my bed. I'm not afraid, but when that day does come, yeah, 'cause I know the day that you'll send me your
forward, because this is the way that I like my hair to lay, because if I brush it backwards then it's going to have the volume at the back. So instead I brush it forward because that's where I want the volume, is at the front, to have that big fluffy afro styled hair. So next I'm going to take the foaming mousse, the Mousse Def, and I'm going to spray 2 pumps of that and then start doing the same exact thing, just kind of raking and scrunching it through my hair until I get the desired amount of product, trying not to go overboard with the amount of product because my hair gets easily weighed down. Hot in here, so let me go ahead and unstrap this sweater from my body. No, just kidding. I realized that I had the sweater on when I wanted to film it without it on, so yeah. Now you guys can look at my tattoos. Enjoy! And again, nothing new here, just twisting the front of my bangs because I like my bangs to be all fluffy and curly. So in order to achieve that fluffy curly look, I like to twist them because my hair is really sad in the front and doesn't like to curl like it's supposed to. So I have to give it a little boost. Fully styled, I'm going to take my Curly Co diffusing attachment, which I got from Amazon, and my little $20 Target hair dryer, which works awesome, so don't even worry about spending them $1 billion on those Dyson hair dryers if you don't have to. So I just go ahead and start diffusing my hair, and this is going to be a pretty long process for me. It takes me about 25 to 30 minutes. Not gonna lie, I do get impatient sometimes and I switch it to high heat, which I do not recommend for people who are transitioning or anybody in general. I'm just lazy, so that's what I do, and that's probably why I still have a little bit of straight pieces on the top. But anywho, just go ahead and diffuse. I bring the dryer up, nothing new, and I sometimes bring the hair up along with the dryer, like cradling it in my hand. So I'll just let you guys watch this. So I'm speeding it up, as you can see, and I will see you guys at the end of the results. All right.
But there's one thing I know that has to be known. Have to have a heart, have to have a soul, then you have to grow. Have to learn to love, then you never been in love that I'll be for.
And welcome back to Mystery Curls. So now this is the long awaited moment to see if my curls are good and my actual thoughts on all the products. So let's see how this hair turned out. Take off my cool little teddy lingerie. You can tell the tag on this. Oh, oh. Oh. It was cute though. If I had worn it, my husband would have been like, ooh, who is that? But not really, because I didn't wear it. Anywho, it's such a horrible way. Oh, I didn't even notice that was open the whole time. So first thoughts about this wash and go. Alright. It feels a little bit on the greasier side than I like. But it definitely has a lot of hold, I can tell. I can see some springy curls on the bottom half. And, oh, excuse me. It just, overall, I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it. I don't know. I'm really torn if I like a lot of scent in my hair because I use my own perfume. So I guess that really doesn't even make a difference. But if you're somebody who likes to have a lot of like scents in your hair and just to have like that, you know, like you have a bouquet of flowers walking around with you all day, or you like to smell like super fruity, I don't think this is the product for you. You need something else to add that like nice fruity smell, but this doesn't really have any smell to me, which is, I guess, good for those of you who are like me, wear perfume. So anywho, yeah, I mean, it's not the best wash and go that I've ever had in my life. I really don't like how greasy my hair feels. It's just too greasy for me. And my hair is not picked out or anything. It's just fresh from getting diffused. I think my hair is still a little bit damp in some spots, and that's because of how thick the product was. And my hair is low porosity, so it takes my hair like 20 years to dry. I don't know, what do you guys think? Do you think it looks pretty good? I mean, my hair is not picked out. There's lots of volume, so that's good. But like I said, yeah, the bottom is just a little too on the greasier side for me, and I just know that for a fact when I go to try and like refresh my curls the next day, they're probably going to be really flat and stretched out because of all the product that I have in my hair. So all of you guys that have the problem with getting a lot of product in your hair and it weighs your hair down, I don't know if this is the product for you, but so far the mystery is no longer a mystery. It looks like it's good curls. I'd give this on a scale of 1 to 10 on the awesome wash and go to basic wash and go. I'm gonna give this a number 7 on the wash and go scale because of the greasiness. So, but it has great texture, great definition, great shine. I don't have to add any of that shine spray, but I guess I'm gonna have to because it's a mystery. We're gonna continue to put products in our hair even though it's kind of way down already. So here goes nothing. All right, I'm gonna spray like 2 sprays max because I'm telling you guys, greasiness right here, not happening. Ooh. Okay. Ooh. All right, that's it. Ooh. But yeah, I think there's a lot of shine. There's bounce. My hair feels bouncy. I'm really not mad at it. So let me try picking out the roots a little bit to show you guys just before, because I hate leaving my hair on a sour note, and you know the pick game steps your curls all the way up. So let's see what I do with mine. I got the pick, and this is my favorite pick ever. You guys better get yourself one of these picks. I got this one, I think, from Sally's. I don't know. Just pick out the roots. Honestly, I wish I wasn't picking out my roots right now, but I don't have that much time left and I need to go to work later, so this is what I gotta do. So as long as I don't pick out my actual, like if your curls are not like fully dried, don't pick out your curls. But if you're short on time, definitely pick out the roots, because usually the roots are kind of dry. For me, the roots are dry. It's these little curls that are kind of clustered up. Inside of them is kind of moist, so I'm not gonna pick it out because then I'll have like little limp frizzy curls. So I'll just stick to the roots for right now. I guess that little sheen spray actually added a little bit of scent to my hair. So I stand corrected. It smells pretty good. I like it. Alright. Cool. Alright, there you go. I think it looks great. So yeah, again, the mystery is solved. I give this a number 7 on the awesome curls to basic curls level. So it's a number 7, which I think is pretty reasonably scaled. Like, that's pretty high. So if you guys are interested in finding a new product, and if you are at Target, definitely check out the Doux products. And this is not sponsored. I just am going and I'm buying random stuff, and I'm gonna spend up all my money and have my husband hate me because I buy too many things. And these are awesome products, so I'm not mad at it. I think I would use it again probably in the winter because of how thick it is. Summertime, but for now, I think that these are great products, definitely worth the buy. So that is it for this week's mystery curls. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and I hope that if you do like it, like and subscribe, and also show some love down below because this is my first ever episode of Mystery Curls. So just let me know if this is something that you guys are interested in watching more often, and I will start posting more mystery curl videos. Alright guys, see you later. Bye!